Welcome to our new SeedUSoon tutorial. This tutorial is intended for administrators and will show you how to prepare and upload the laboratory guidelines into the SeedUSoon database. The laboratory guidelines is a customizable document meant to help you communicate easily specific rules regarding plant handling in your team. This user manual will serve as a reference immediately accessible in SeedUSoon to users looking for information. All they need to do is click right here. During the generation of plant lines or seed batches, pop-ups will sometimes invite users to consult this document. For instance, here, when naming this new line, the user might need to verify the proper nomenclature in the laboratory guidelines. Or here, when offered to upload a sequence file, do you want your users to upload formats specific to a licensed software? Or do you prefer more generic standards? Do all of your users use the same software? These are just a few examples. On our SeedUSoon download website, you can find a template guideline to get you started. This model document shows you the type of info to include in your manual. Take a look at it, then modify it as needed to create your own guidelines. After all, each lab is different. Don't try to make it perfect. You can always edit or enrich these guidelines all through the lifetime of your database. Let's take a brief look at the template document together. Users will find info about proper file format for upload, how users should name their lines, how to properly name successive generations of plants and seeds, seed storage conditions in your laboratory, instructions on how to add samples to the lab seed stack, how labels or barcodes should look, important reminders when sending seeds to other laboratories. You can also include protocol suggestions, useful links, etc. It's your choice. Finally, they will find the concept of an organism class as defined by the EU. This parameter is included in the description of transgene within the software. Once your customized laboratory guidelines are ready, save them in Word or PDF format. Log into SeedUSoon using an administrator account. If this is a new database, click on Our Lab, which will take you directly to the user manual upload window. By clicking on the lab icon, you can get access to the user manual tab. There are also other tabs. In this one, you can see the size of the database. And in that one, upload an MTA model. We will talk more about this in another tutorial. For now, let's focus on the user manual tab. Click on Set a Manual, select your guidelines file. Your file is now available to all users. Now let's check that it all works smoothly. Click on Our Lab, which should automatically open the file. Great! If you want to change this file in the future, simply go into the Tools tab, select Options, then Lab, and then upload the new manual. It's as simple as that. Now you know how to help your users easily find guidelines customized to reflect the rules of your laboratory. If you want to learn more about other options in the administration mode, take a look at our other tutorials. See you soon!